If you're looking to upgrade your kitchen with a reliable, non-toxic, and budget-friendly cookware set, this might be exactly what you've been waiting for. Today, we're reviewing the Amazon Basics Ceramic Non-Stick 11-piece cookware set, a complete pots and pans set designed for everyday cooking, easy cleaning, and healthier meals. The purchase link is available in the description below. Now let's break down why this ceramic non-stick cookware set is gaining so much attention and whether it truly deserves a spot in your kitchen. First, this is an 11-piece cookware set, which means you're getting a wide variety of essential pots and pans in one bundle. Whether you're frying eggs in the morning, simmering sauces, sautéing vegetables, steaming healthy meals, or cooking family-sized dinners, this set has you covered. What really stands out is the ceramic non-stick coating. Unlike traditional coatings, this one is made without lead or cadmium. That's a big plus if you're trying to cook healthier meals while avoiding potentially harmful materials. The non-stick surface also allows for effortless food release, so your pancakes flip easily, your eggs slide right off, and cleanup becomes a breeze. That's everything most home cooks need for daily meal prep. From small portions to larger family meals, this cookware set handles it all. Another feature I really like is the tempered glass lids. These allow you to monitor your cooking without lifting the lid and releasing heat. They trap in moisture and flavor, which is essential for soups, sauces, and slow-simmered dishes. The exterior is finished in a sleek black silicone polyester coating with a cream-colored interior. Not only does it look modern and clean, but it's also designed for easy maintenance. And yes, it's dishwasher safe, which makes cleanup even more convenient. It's also oven safe, giving you extra flexibility when finishing dishes like baked pasta or casseroles. Now let's talk performance. The ceramic non-stick interior heats evenly and prevents sticking when used properly. That means less oil is required, which supports healthier cooking habits. If you're someone who meal preps, cooks daily, or wants dependable cookware without spending a fortune, this set offers excellent value. Here's a quick highlight of the key features. 11-piece versatile cookware set for everyday cooking. Ceramic non-stick coating made without lead and cadmium. Dishwasher safe and oven safe for added convenience. Tempered glass lids to lock in heat and moisture. Includes steamer insert for healthy meal options. Who is this cookware set best for? It's ideal for new homeowners, apartment dwellers, college students setting up their first kitchen, or anyone looking for an affordable ceramic non-stick pots and pans set. It's also perfect if you want to replace older cookware with something more modern and non-toxic. In terms of value for money, the Amazon Basics Ceramic Non-Stick 11-piece cookware set delivers versatility, safety, and everyday functionality in one complete package. You're not just buying pots and pans, you're investing in convenience, healthier cooking, and time saved on cleanup. If you've been searching for the best budget ceramic non-stick cookware set that balances performance and price, this one absolutely deserves your attention. If you found this review helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more honest kitchen product reviews. And remember, if you're ready to upgrade your cookware, click the link in the description now. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.